touch it. Mary.
What was that?
Oh my God! Where is everybody? Look, dude, we'll go deeper into the wilderness where you can't see anyone.
I hear voices.
Go! Go! Run! You're gonna die!
No, Victoria!
Wait,
Come back!
where did everyone go?
Oh yeah!
Is Mary Lou running for her life? The greatest marathon ever.
Depending on when it is.
Don't you can't they say you can't have cell phones or MP3s or anything?
You can have MP3.
Well, it's not cell phones. Oh, let's go down there.
Like a big spider web.
Ew.
Not that big.
Oh my gosh.
I don't care about spiders.
It's not as big as a tree.
This tree looks freaky.
The body looks big.
Mary Lou, the tree of the headless horseman.
Really? Where? Oh yeah, no. I like that one. Shall we go in?
I like my head.
Hey, you get door open.
Let's go down there.
I like my head. I don't know about you, but I like my head.
You like
Flowers everywhere!
the getting head.
What to forget about us in here?
Can I have my phone?
Real quick.
No.
Can I have my phone, please?
I think my cousin.
Are we going?
Mike, just...
Come on, guys.
I think my cousin. This is my phone.
James, don't be kidding around with me, because you know...
I think my cousin. Is that actually on the table?
No, you took it
I don't
because it was
have
on the
it.
table.
That's why I say either my...
It's like a dried up. See? Did you see them? Do you see that? Do you see them?
James's big head's in the way.
What are they doing? See, they're going, guys. Let's go.
Follow the yellow brick road. Or the
No,
gray
let's
road.
follow
The gray
our
rocky
own
road.
Come on. You know where they're going? They're going to the playground.
Look. No, Victoria, move. I'm a giant.
I hear people.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
I killed him. I feel bad now.
Can I just throw this, or what do I do?
Oh, they're saying come back.
Oh, we're leaving.
We could have been playing, guys.
No, they're still recording.
It's a monster. The fuck was that?
Hammer. We're leaving. Okay.
What are you talking about? Thank you. We're out of the wilderness, Victoria, we're safe. We're safe now.
We made it.
And that was our day.
And somebody just comes out and like grabs us.
Oh my God! Victoria, God, why are you being so loud for?
And that was our day in the woods.